Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Zabzon. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn how we convert the two columns into one column and why we will convert into one column. Sometimes in the screen you can see here just like for example in one column name is present and in second column father is present and you want to write in the next column full name. Then is to select one cell and write AZAT. For example, just one, and you can you can select the next cell and write just like the previous cell, and you can write the next cell as well. This takes much time. You can easily uh, convert into full name by one. How this can be happen? This is a very simple method by just one click. So you can you will select one cell, first cell, and write the complete name, and next when you select the next cell, then you will press Control. I have press Control plus E. When I will press Control plus E, you can see here it takes both columns names and converts into the full name into the third column. This is a very simple and easy method. So don't forget to press Control E when you have very short time and you want to convert two columns into one column. So stay blessed and don't forget to share with your friends. Stay blessed. Please subscribe, like, comment my channel.